In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect OneDrive folder and files. Guide, 5 minutes. First, open your browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your OneDrive, whether that's personal or work. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step so you're fully signed in and ready to go. Once you're on the Microsoft account homepage, look for the app launcher icon, often called the waffle menu, usually in the top left corner. Click it to open the list of Microsoft 365 apps and then choose OneDrive. If you don't immediately see it, expand to view all apps and it should appear there. Inside OneDrive, head to My Files. This is where all your folders and files live. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right location and that you can see the item you want to protect. Select the file or folder you want to secure. You'll see options appear. Choose Share. This opens the sharing panel where we'll set up the password protection for your link. In the sharing panel, click the line that indicates the current link setting. It often reads something like, anyone with the link can edit, or similar depending on your tenant and policies. This opens the link settings window where you can control who can access the link, whether they can edit, and more. Now make sure the setting is set to anyone with the link. This matters because OneDrive's password option is available only for links that anyone with the link can use. If you choose a more restrictive option like specific people, the password field typically won't appear. Setting it to anyone doesn't mean it's open to the world. The password you're about to add will be required to open the content. Next, look for the password option, toggle it on, and create a strong password that's hard to guess and easy for you to share securely. Note that password-protected links are a premium feature available with qualifying OneDrive or Microsoft 365 subscriptions. If you don't see the password field, your account may not include this feature. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Apply to lock in the settings. At this point, your share link will require the password you set before anyone can open the file or folder. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Share the password using a different channel than the link for better security. Consider whether recipients should have edit access or view only, and choose the appropriate option in the link settings. And if the content is temporary, remember you can remove access later from OneDrive's Manage Access panel. That's it. Your OneDrive content is now protected with a password.